All right, welcome to Texas Traveler. I'm Chuck. I'm out here in my driveway. I've got my engine test stand. I can't get my workmate to stay locked in the up position. I ran a Weber 61 earlier, and it scared me once because it came down while it was running, and I had hands in the way, and that could have been really bad if my prop had gotten in, or excuse me, if the prop had gotten in my hands. Anyway, this is my Thunder Tiger 91 4-stroke. It's brand new. I'm not going to run it hard or anything like that. I'm just running a tank of fuel through it to get it ready to go on the bingo, and just show you guys it running. I got a 12/8 prop on it, some 10% nitro, and we're just going to do a little run right here. Probably help if I backed it up some. So that was fun. And I think this is going to be one heck of an engine for that bingo. It runs good. During the week I'll probably run a couple of more tanks through it. It sucked that tank down pretty quick, but I was also running it super rich. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Can't wait to get to the point where I can put it on the plane, and I think this is going to drag that bingo around like gangbusters. But we'll play around with it more, and once I get it to where I feel like it's broken in, and see if I can figure out how to fix this bench so I can have it up, we'll put a tack on it and check it out from that perspective, and see if this 12/8 is really the way we want to go, or maybe it's a 13/8. I done forgot now. Yeah, it's a 13/8. Anyway, thanks for watching, and right now I've got both the wing halves put together. I'm just waiting for wood to get here so I can go back to work on the bingo, and I think Chris is doing some other stuff other than working on his cloud dancer, so he's letting me catch up a little bit. Thank you, Chris. I sure do appreciate it. Anyway, thank all y'all. Have a blessed week, and we'll get back to you when we have some new work done.